Aubrey's a great blueberry picker.
Another one?
Sure. He went way over here.
Aubrey, what you doing?
I'm getting the blueberries.
Picking blueberries? You like blueberries? Miranda's throwing them on the ground.
These are the ones that are busted.
Oh.
The birds haven't eaten some of them.
Come here, Aubrey. You got any blueberries?
Show her all the ones that we picked right there.
Look at them.
Oh, wow. That's a lot of blueberries.
I picked them up.
You picked them by yourself?
Got them.
Yeah, I'm glad you're getting them. I hate for all of them to go to waste.
Yeah. Maybe I'll get inspired and make some muffins out of them. What are you laughing at?
I'm recording, so yeah, it's funny. What's today? September
7th.
7th. Is the 7th? Yeah, September 7th, 2008. Aubrey! Ugh. Come here. Come here, Aubrey. Show me what you got.
Show me the blueberry.
Show me. Come here. Let me see.
Blueberry.
Oh, wow. Come here. Blow me a kiss. Oh, thanks. That's sweet.
Oh, I didn't count these. Can you reach them? I'll hold them down for you.